The wallet lay alone on the polished marble floor of the company lobby, unnoticed by hundreds of hurried footsteps rushing past it. It looked old, worn at the edges, and held together by years of careful use rather than luxury. But when powerful CEO Evelyn Harper bent down to pick it up, she had no idea that one faded photograph hidden inside would shatter everything she believed about her family's past. In a single heartbeat, a forgotten secret buried for nearly 30 years began to rise to the surface, threatening to rewrite the lives of two strangers forever. Before we begin this unforgettable journey, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who believes in kindness, and subscribe to Kindness Tales Journey if you believe that kindness and second chances can truly change lives. Your support helps us continue sharing stories that touch hearts around the world. Morning sunlight poured through the towering glass windows of Harper Global headquarters, bathing the elegant lobby in golden light. Employees walked confidently across the spotless floors while visitors admired the expensive artwork decorating the walls. At the center of this successful empire stood Evelyn Harper, a woman admired for her intelligence, determination, and remarkable business achievements. Newspapers often described her as fearless, but very few people knew that behind her composed smile was a daughter who had spent her entire life trying to understand the sadness that never seemed to leave her late mother's eyes. Across town, life looked completely different for Noah Bennett. Every sunrise marked the beginning of another exhausting day. As a widowed father raising his 7-year-old daughter Lily alone, every dollar mattered. He worked 2 jobs, often skipping meals so Lily could have everything she needed for school. His apartment was small, the furniture old, and the bills seemed endless, but love filled every corner of their humble home. Noah believed that wealth was measured not by money but by the laughter of the little girl who waited every evening to hug him after work. That particular morning had already gone wrong. Lily had forgotten her lunch, the school bus arrived early, and Noah rushed through crowded streets trying to make it to an interview for a maintenance supervisor position at Harper Global. It was the opportunity he had prayed for, a stable job with healthcare benefits and enough income to finally stop worrying every single month. Nervous and distracted, he never realized that his worn leather wallet slipped quietly from his jacket pocket as he entered the magnificent building. Evelyn had been heading toward an important board meeting when she noticed the wallet near the reception desk. Assuming it belonged to one of the visitors, she picked it up, intending to hand it over to security. As she opened it to identify the owner, she saw only a few dollars, an old driver's license, several carefully folded receipts, and then something that froze her completely. Tucked behind a transparent plastic sleeve was a faded photograph of 2 young women smiling beside a small lake under the bright afternoon sun. One of them was unmistakably her mother, Margaret Harper, decades younger but wearing the same warm smile Evelyn remembered from childhood. The other woman was someone Evelyn had never seen before, yet the closeness between them was undeniable. Across the back of the photograph, written in delicate handwriting, were the words, "Forever sisters by choice. No matter what happens, we'll always find each other. Love, Clara." Evelyn felt her heart pounding. Her mother had never mentioned anyone named Clara. Throughout her childhood, Margaret rarely spoke about her younger years, always changing the subject whenever family history came up. After Margaret passed away 5 years earlier, Evelyn had searched through old albums hoping to learn more, but that photograph had never appeared among her mother's belongings. She immediately asked security to locate the wallet's owner before he left the building. Minutes later, Noah returned to the lobby after realizing his wallet was missing. His face carried exhaustion beyond his years, but his eyes revealed quiet determination. His clothes were clean but worn, his shoes clearly repaired several times. He apologized repeatedly for causing inconvenience, grateful beyond words that someone honest had found his wallet. As Evelyn handed it back, her attention remained fixed on the photograph. She gently asked where he had gotten it. Noah looked surprised before explaining that the woman beside Margaret was his late mother, Clara Bennett. The picture had always remained in his wallet because it was one of the few photographs he had of her. Clara had passed away from illness when Noah was only 12, leaving behind very few belongings and even fewer answers about her past. The board meeting no longer mattered. Instead, Evelyn invited Noah into her office, where floor-to-ceiling windows overlooked the busy city below. She carefully explained why the photograph meant so much to her. Noah listened quietly, equally shocked that his mother had once shared such an obvious bond with the famous Margaret Harper. As memories surfaced, Noah recalled one detail from childhood. Shortly before Clara died, she had whispered that if life ever became unbearably difficult, he should find someone named Margaret because she had once promised to protect their family. At the time, Noah had dismissed it as confused words spoken during illness. Now those memories carried unexpected meaning. Together they began searching through forgotten records, old letters, and family archives. Days turned into weeks as small pieces of an incredible story slowly emerged. Nearly 30 years earlier, Margaret Harper had not been born into wealth. She and Clara had grown up in the same foster home after losing their parents at young ages. They had depended on one another through every hardship imaginable. They studied together, dreamed together, and promised they would build better lives side by side. Then opportunity separated them. Margaret earned a scholarship that eventually introduced her to influential investors, leading to the business empire that would later become Harper Global. Clara, meanwhile, sacrificed her own education to care for an elderly foster parent who had fallen seriously ill. Letters between them continued for years until one misunderstanding changed everything. Among the old documents Evelyn uncovered was an unopened envelope addressed to Clara. The letter had been returned because Clara had moved without leaving a forwarding address. Margaret had written that she wanted Clara to join her in the growing company, offering financial support and a new beginning. Clara never received it. At the same time, Clara had written desperately asking for help after Noah's father abandoned the family. That letter never reached Margaret because an assistant mistakenly filed it away during the company's chaotic expansion. Two women who had promised never to lose each other had been separated not by betrayal, but by silence. Evelyn sat alone in her office holding both letters, tears streaming down her face. Her mother had carried guilt for years without understanding why Clara disappeared. Clara had struggled believing Margaret had forgotten her. Their friendship had been destroyed by accidents neither of them ever discovered during their lifetimes. For Noah, learning the truth brought both comfort and heartbreak. His mother had not been abandoned after all. She had remained deeply loved until her final days. Evelyn could not undo the past, but she refused to allow history to repeat itself. She offered Noah the maintenance supervisor position immediately based not on sympathy but on his excellent qualifications and years of experience. She also established a scholarship in Clara Bennett's name for children raised by single parents, ensuring that families facing impossible circumstances would receive opportunities Clara never had. Noah accepted the job with quiet gratitude. For the first time since his wife had passed away, he felt hope replacing constant fear. His steady income allowed him to spend evenings helping Lily with homework instead of working late-night shifts. Their tiny apartment gradually transformed into a peaceful home filled with laughter instead of worry. Lily flourished as well. She proudly told classmates that her father fixed important things for one of the biggest companies in the city. More importantly, she noticed that he smiled again. Months later, Evelyn visited the small cemetery where Clara rested. She placed fresh white lilies beside the grave along with the restored photograph of the two young women standing by the lake. Beside it she left a handwritten letter addressed simply, "To Mother's forever sister." In that letter, Evelyn thanked Clara for protecting Margaret through their difficult childhood, apologized for the years stolen by misunderstanding, and promised that both women's kindness would continue changing lives long after they were gone. Nearby stood Noah and Lily, quietly watching. The wind carried autumn leaves gently across the peaceful cemetery as sunlight filtered through tall oak trees. No grand speeches were needed. Some moments spoke directly to the heart without words. As seasons changed, Harper Global became known not only for business success but for compassion. Evelyn introduced family assistance programs, educational grants, and emergency support funds inspired by Clara's story. Employees often wondered why the CEO cared so deeply about helping struggling parents. Very few knew that one forgotten wallet had reminded her that every stranger carries a story invisible to the world. Noah eventually became one of the company's most respected managers. His honesty, humility, and relentless work ethic inspired everyone around him. Whenever new employees asked why he never replaced his old leather wallet, he simply smiled. It no longer represented poverty. It represented the day destiny returned two lost families to each other. Lily grew older surrounded by people who genuinely cared for her future. Evelyn became something between a mentor and an honorary aunt, encouraging Lily's dreams of becoming an architect. The little girl who once worried about unpaid school lunches now believed that impossible dreams could become reality through courage, kindness, and perseverance. The faded photograph, carefully restored and framed, found a permanent place inside Harper Global's headquarters. Beneath it rested a simple inscription that every visitor could read: "Never underestimate the life-changing power of kindness." One small act can reconnect hearts separated by decades. If this story has touched your heart so far, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope today, subscribe to Kindness Tales Journey, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your encouragement helps these stories reach people who may need a reminder that compassion still exists in our world. Special request: please comment, "Kindness always finds a way," if you believe one small act of honesty can change someone's life forever. Sometimes miracles do not arrive with flashing lights or extraordinary signs. Sometimes they arrive quietly, disguised as a worn-out wallet resting on a polished floor, waiting for one compassionate person to stop, bend down, and care enough to look inside. And in that simple moment, broken promises can be healed, forgotten friendships restored, lonely hearts comforted, and future generations given hope. Because true kindness never disappears. It simply waits for the right moment to find its way back home.